Welcome to the Throttle channel. In today's video, we take a deep dive into the powerful world of Nissan Patrol Nismo. Unleash the power with us as we explore the superior performance, the design, and features of this incredible vehicle. From its sleek exterior to its cutting-edge technology, the Nissan Patrol Nismo is truly a force to be reckoned with. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your next adventure, this is a vehicle that is sure to impress. Join us as we take a closer look at the Nissan Patrol Nismo and discover what makes it stand out from the rest. Get ready to experience ultimate power and performance with the Nissan Patrol Nismo. This SUV has been reimagined by Nismo, the Nissan's motorsport division, to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. With a powerful V8 engine under the hood, the Nissan Patrol Nismo delivers an exhilarating driving experience like no other. Its superior performance capabilities provide unmatched power and control on any terrain, making it the ultimate vehicle for adventure seekers. The sleek and aggressive design of the Nissan Patrol Nismo commands attention on the road, showcasing its dominance and capability. Under the hood, you'll find a V8 engine that churns out a staggering horsepower, propelling you from 0 to 60 in just seconds. The Nismo tuning elevates the already impressive Patrol to new heights, with enhanced handling and agility that will leave you breathless. But it's not just about speed. The Nissan Patrol Nismo also boasts a sleek and aggressive exterior design that commands attention on the road. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and tech-savvy interior with premium materials and cutting-edge features that cater to your every need. Whether you're tackling off-road terrain or cruising through the city streets, the Nissan Patrol Nismo is your perfect companion for every adventure. Unleash the power of the Nissan Patrol Nismo and elevate your driving experience to the next level. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.